Well, hi, this is Jay Arthur, author of Lean Six Sigma Demystified and the QI Macros. Now, one of the things I've noticed over the years is people keep trying to figure out some way to make statistics and statistical process control more palatable. And, I have no idea where I got this book, but this was published in 1954. It says statistics can be fun. Well, not unless you're a statistician, right? And we tried to put some little pretty pictures and things in there to make it more edible. But people have been trying to do this for decades. And guess what? It just hasn't permeated the culture, right? Here's another little book I got somewhere along the way. Quality Control by Statistical Methods. Now, doesn't that just make you salivate with desire to get in there and read all about it? Of course not. Of course not. And even back when I was learning TQM and stuff, I actually developed a QI coloring book, right? So I was trying to find ways to make it fun and simple, and I wrote a story about how that all works, right? And I had the structure in there to make that happen. And that eventually morphed into what I use for training today, which is the Lean Six Sigma Money Belt Action Plan, right? So not very big, is it, right? So I don't think we have to spend a lot of time covering every tool in the tool book because you're not going to need it. What do we have to do? We have to cover the tools that are important, right? The tools that people use every day. And I think that's, control chart, Pareto chart, fishbone flow chart, histogram, some of those kinds of things, a countermeasures matrix. These are the simple tools that will solve most problems. And when you start trying to teach people too much, it fills them up and then they forget what they are supposed to do. So let's stop trying to pretend that statistics are simple or fun or easy. As opposed to that, let's not talk about it at all. Let's just start using software to analyze things and then tell people what the analysis tells them. And eventually, if they want to get into more depth, great, that's fine. Does this make sense? All right, so let's simplify how we introduce people to Lean and Six Sigma, and I think you'll find you get a lot better results.